One of the things that we love about making this dish is that it's so simple.
Well, we're going to start with lean ground pork. It takes about 10 minutes to brown. You want to break up the bigger pieces with your spatula, make sure that it's cooked all the way through. We've also sauteed some onion and some garlic and tossed in a little bit of celery. And now we're going to add in pre-made pasta sauce, some red wine vinegar, and we've combined it with a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. We've got some creamed honey as well. Now normally you would maybe use brown sugar in this dish to give it the sweetness, but we're going to use some creamed honey today just for kicks. And then we've got some oregano. Last but not least, we're going to add in our peppers, and we put those in last just so that they hold their color. Basically, you stir that all up, put a lid on, and let it simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. And at the very end, just season with a little bit of salt and pepper according to taste, and it's done.